Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing good today. My name is Amir, and welcome to my studio. In today's session, I'm going to teach you to create clean, modern, and professional background in Adobe Illustrator. If you are serious about improving your designing skills, then this class is for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin.
So here we go. This is our artboard. So first of all, we need to decide like which color you want at your background. Okay. For me, I'm going to choose black. So select the rectangle and create the background for you. Okay. And the second thing that you have to remember is tap on the object and lock the selection. Okay. Now your background is ready. Now click on gradient and select any of them, whatever you like. I'm going to select this one and delete the middle of. No, let's go this and choose black. Okay. Now we have to go ahead and select the paint tool. Okay. Paint brush. Now move your mouse how you like to be look like your design. Okay. So I would do this. Oh, all right. Here we go. All right. Okay. Now click on blends option. Here you can see first, second, and third. Now, two times you have to click on the blend, then click on a specified step. Let's go with 50. I guess that would be enough. Hit enter. Yeah, it's look really nice. Now, click on the view option and click on trim. Select it. That's it. We're done. So this is our first background. Now let's go ahead and create the next one. Okay, let's see what the next idea I have in my mind. So create the new artboard. Okay, click on object, unlock, and then you have to press alt and drag it. Okay, it's, I guess we have to increase the size. Click on view and trim. That's it. Oh, uh, okay, press the Alt and then drag it. Click on Object, Lock Selection, Object, and Lock Selection. All right. Now let's create the new background. So let's go with the circle. One, two, three, four, and five. I guess that would be enough. Select all of them. Select all of them, and oh, first of all, we need to fill the color in the circle. So choose any color you want. Okay. Okay. Now select all of them. Click on object. Click on blend. make, then click on object again, click on blend and blend option, go with a specified step. Uh, let's go with 300. It's too much, I guess. Let's go with 50, maybe. I get that would be enough. So now put this design down. Okay. Now here select the spiral tool. Now select the both of the shapes together. Click on object, go to the same one, blend. Now this time you have to click on replace pin. Okay, here we go. Then click on effect, go with the transfer roughness. Okay. Let's go with this 27. Oh, it's too much. No, no, 27. That's it. And this one we are going with 23. Smooth and click on OK. View, effect, transfer, and twist. Wait for a moment. Let's make it 50. So this is our second background. Let's go and make the last one. First, second. Create the new artboard. All right, now click on the rectangle, create all black, object, load the selection. Now you can use the arc tool. So here is the one shape that I'm interested to tell you. I don't know whether you like it or not. Just if you look at the keyboard at the top left, there is an escape key, right? Just below the escape key, there's a one more key. I don't know what it's the name. What do we call that key? But first you have to do like that. Then you have to hold that key. Okay. Once you hold it, then move it. Oops, sorry. Then do it again. Press it and we're done. Now let's select this color, go with this, and boom. So yeah, you can make it anything with this arc tool. multiple design you can create it according to you. Like if we go with the one thing here, mm, let me create one more artboard. Okay, object, lock, selection. Okay. So if you go to the arc tool again, first of all, let's go and select the key and document. This one is all right. Let's go with this one. Arc tool and okay, then click on right, go to transfer, reflect, copy, and boom, we're done. Okay, click on view, frame, click on view. Oh, it's already. So we have successfully created 4 background. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh, According to me, only the first one is look good, pretty good. Second one is little bit. Third one is so-so. The last one is attractive, I guess. So according to these tools, you can create multiple designs according to your creativity, your innovation. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video.